till the day I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, as you could see in my previous live stream here from my listening room, I have found two pieces of old Czechoslovak do-it-yourself amplifiers. This video will be about this piece. I have opened it, connected the signal from the CD player which I have here on the table, connected my speakers, the professional Dynacords which are on the floor, the bass Dynacords 15-inch bass speaker, about 200 watts power, together with these horn drivers. And I had to reconnect the power cable because it was cut off directly behind the back plate. So I take it out, reconnected it and connected into the electricity, and it works. And I must say the sound is not bad. I usually say that these do-it-yourself amplifiers are from 70s, but here I'm not sure. It looks maybe like 80s, from 80s, but maybe you will find the year of production from the parts which are inside. Never mind, it's a nice work, and let's hear the sound. Volume. I will let's play the track number 3. This is more dynamic, and I receive very often questions which music I use. So regarding the copyright, I'm using only the YouTube library music, so the quality no comment. So the track number 3, name of track Motorbike. Channel, right channel, stereo, bass, treble, with the amplifier, and I lose the sound from the right channel. Now it's okay. Stereo. In do-it-yourself case is the top cover on 4 screws. So as it is usual, this amplifier is for sale, and you can find it later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ. Yes, you will not use it anywhere in your living room, but anywhere in garage or anywhere in weekend house can be not bad choice. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.